This is a used 2007 Ford Explorer, powered by four-wheel drive, a 4-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, digital audio input, trailer hitch, premium rims, auto-dimming mirrors, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats, roof rails, cruise control. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, traction control, stability control. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Vista Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 21501 Ventura Boulevard, Woodland Hills, California 91364.